What you doing in there, Mace? You go in your pool. Yay! You go in your pool. What are you doing? Mason, you hopper you. You hopper you in your pool. There you go. Mason. Psst, psst, psst. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. This is going to be interesting because he hops out every time he goes in. Out, in, out, in. Why you want to be in your pool? Mason. Come here. Go in your pool. Here. Mason. What's this noise? No, come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, Mace. Stop eating the rabbit poop. Stop eating the rabbit poop. Mason. Okay, well, there's the pool. There's Mason. He'd rather be in the grass.